Well, here's a fancy recipe that would go really great in the chocolatier shop. Chocolate coconut Neapolitans. And it says these yummy striped cookies with a chocolatey twist are easy and fun to make and are sure to satisfy hungry tummies. You're going to use a lot of bowls and a bread loaf pan lined with wax paper. In one bowl we need 2½ cups of flour, that's all-purpose flour, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, a ½ teaspoon of salt. Let's blend this up and then set aside. In a mixing bowl you need 2 sticks of very soft butter and 1½ cups of sugar. Cream the butter and the sugar together until light and fluffy. Add 1 egg and a teaspoon of vanilla, and then gradually add the flour mixture. All right, so it's pretty soft, and we're going to split this up into 3 parts. All right, so we add a ½ cup of coconut to this one. We're going to stir that in. All right, this one needs 4½ teaspoons of chocolate syrup. Why 4½? Why not 5? I mean, really. I'm going to stir this in. Oh, it looks like chocolate ice cream, sort of. And the last one, a teaspoon of almond extract. And 4 drops of red food coloring. 2, 3, 4. Alright, it says to put the red down first. Spread it out on the bottom. Now we're going to add the coconut. And last, add the chocolate. This cookie dough actually tastes really good. So we're going to put this in the freezer for 4 hours or longer, and then we're going to cut it up. Oh no, it's supposed to make 5½ dozen.
Do you want to run this and let me run that?
Yeah. Wrap the other side up, and you can place this in the freezer for up to 6 months. Okay, keep going. Slice them about 1/4 of an inch thick. Because they're frozen, they're kind of hard to cut at first, but it gets easier. Then place them about 2 inches apart on an ungreased cookie sheet or parchment paper and bake in a 350-degree oven for 12 minutes until they are lightly browned on the bottom. The thinner you cut them, the crispier they are. You can taste the chocolate, the coconut, and the almond extract. Let them cool, and now it's time to do some dipping in the chocolate. In a double boiler, add ½ cup of chocolate chips and 1½ teaspoons of shortening. Let's dip these in chocolate. This isn't a lot of chocolate, so you can use a spoon to kind of spread it around. Let them cool and you have some fancy little Neapolitan sugar cookies. Does it look like the picture? Yes, I think so. Thanks for watching.